Welcome back, dear students. In previous session we have seen the parts of circulatory system. In this session I am going to explain about heart. Are you able to see the diagram of human heart? Yes, correct. We are going to learn in detail about the structure and its function of human heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood to all the parts of our body. It is located between the lungs, slightly to the left of the middle of the chest. Our heart is protected by a bony cage which is present in our body called as rib cage. So now we'll see one by one which are the parts of the heart. Okay. Structure of the heart. The human heart is a muscular organ consisting of 4 different chambers. Now you can consider this heart as a factory. In factory we have different compartments, correct? Like that, heart is also made up of 4 different chambers. Are you able to see here? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am repeating it again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 different chambers of the heart, or we can say in simple language, these are the 4 different compartments of the heart. These Out of these 4 chambers, 2 are located at the upper side. Can you see this upper one? This is one and this is another one. So these 2 chambers are located at the upper side and the 2 other chambers are located at the down side. Are you able to see the down one? Okay. Now I will tell you the names of these chambers. As they are present on the left and right side, their names are also likewise. The upper chamber which is present at the left side is called as left atrium. Similarly, the upper chamber which is present at right side is called as right atrium. Then the lower chamber which is present at left side is called as left ventricle. Similarly, the one which is present at right side is called as right ventricle. So I am repeating it again. The upper chamber which is present at left side is called as left atrium and the one which is at right side is called right atrium. Then the lower chamber which is present at left side is called as left ventricle and the right one is called right ventricle. So in this way the heart is divided in 4 different chambers which are called as left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. The upper chambers are also called as atria or auricles. When we are talking about only one upper chamber, it can be called as atrium. But when we are talking at a time about 2 different chambers, they are called as atria or auricles. Similarly, we can call them as auricles and ventricles. Now, we are going to learn what are the functions of these 4 parts. So, the main function of the heart is to pump blood containing oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in the body. Students, you know that we eat food and that food is converted into blood because the nutrients which are present in the food are absorbed in the blood. Are you able to see the arrows? The arrows which are here, some arrows you can see they are going in downward direction and the some arrows are going in upward direction. As the direction of the arrow goes, the blood flow goes in that way. The heart is performing a major function of transporting blood to each and every part of body. That transportation happens in the direction of the arrows. Are you able to see the arrows? See here. These 2 arrows are coming inside. This one is going up. This one is also going up. This one is coming inside. Again, these two are going out. If you come down, see here, one arrow is going up and one is coming down. That means the blood flow is happening in these directions. Where the arrows are going in the same direction, the blood flow is taking place. Okay, clear up till now? Then the heart also receives the blood. As the heart transports the blood which contains oxygen, it also receives the blood which contains carbon dioxide from all the different parts of body and pumps it through the lungs for further purification. This is how our heart performs the function of blood circulation along with the help of arteries and blood vessels. What do you mean by arteries and blood vessels? That we will learn in next session. Now here I am going to repeat it again what we have learned in this session. So students, first of all, heart is made up of 4 different chambers. All the 4 chambers are divided into 2 upper ones and 2 lower ones. Upper chambers are called as atria and the lower chambers are called as ventricles. These atria and ventricles perform the functions of circulation of the blood. Okay, thank you.